Alright guys, Matt from Just Ratchet here, and today I wanted to tell you about a ratchet that you may not have been immediately aware of. A lot of people I think are, but a lot of people probably walk past it and don't see it for what it really is. And the good thing is that it's cheap, so in that respect it's attainable by most people, and I would think that it's going to serve you well. Now, before we get into the specifics of it, as you guys have known, I've put this in quite a few videos. This is my favorite ratchet. It's a Pittsburgh. It's the extendable handle length, so to speak, and it is the dual drive, quarter on one side, 3/8 on the other. This, for a lot of gimmicky reasons, is my favorite go-to ratchet, probably because of the 3/8 and quarter mainly. I could just grab something from my socket set and know that it's going to fit. But the other thing is this extendable handle that gives you added leverage. It gives you more torque, and also it can help you if you're trying to reach something that, you know, the ratchet's not going to reach if it's not extended. And I've put this thing, a lot of people say these are cheap, Pittsburgh ratchets and whatnot. It's a 72 tooth, and I've put a lot of torque on this thing. Obviously it's not like a 1/2 inch or anything, it's just 3/8, but I put a lot of torque on it. Nothing crazy like a cheater bar or anything like that, but I've not broken it yet, and I've had this thing for literally years, so it will serve you well. So the style and design is good on that. What we're going to talk about today is this. This is, let me see if I can get it to focus, a Stanley 3/8 flex head with the extendable handle. Extends out to, I believe it's 14 inches. Depends on how they're reading 14 inches. I would read it to the socket, but I don't know what they're considering their 14-inch measurement. But it reaches that far, so it's extendable, and all the way in between you have different settings. You can put it on what you need. But the other thing about this, what you don't see in a lot of these cheaper ratchets, slotting on the flex head to kind of hold it into position. And that's pretty nice, because a lot of the Pittsburgh flex heads just flop. Like, they don't even have this slotting on them to kind of help them hold their shape. See, it'll sort of hold its shape. But when you start wrenching on this and you start torquing something, chances are it's going to change its angle. It's going to fall out of that slot. It's got this button. It's a locking flex head ratchet. Now, I haven't used this too much. I did do some stuff with it real quick just to kind of check it out. And the lock seems to hold well. It doesn't move its position. I can't immediately just get it to snap out of its locked position. I mean, guys, this I got for, it was like $22, $23 at Walmart. I figured that I would give 2 of them away. I'm going to keep one for myself. I'm going to give 2 away. Now, if you haven't seen my video on hand grips, I will put a tag up here. I will put links in the description below. But you should go watch that. There are 2 versions of it. There's a short version and a long version. Honestly, I don't care which one you watch. One's better than the other in my opinion, but I'll let you decide that. But it can show you how to get this very nice, thick rubber handle. This is your old school Craftsman ratchet, if you guys can't tell. Can tell you how to get this onto these tools, ratchets, whatever. It covers hand grips. So what I'm going to do before I send these out to make one last improvement to this very economical and useful ratchet is I'm going to get some more of these. I have them on the way. They are being shipped, and we're waiting on them. We're going to put some of those on these ratchets before we send them out. So, guys, like the video, comment, subscribe, and I will be giving these away shortly. I also need to give away the Stanley hammer from my hand grip video. You'll notice this is a different kind of grip. It's called a re-grip. Anyhow, just watch the video. Anyhow, I got to give this away too. So we have a couple of things coming up. We have the brand new Stanley hammer with the re-grip. We have 2 Stanley ratchets. Once I get the grips put on those, I will be giving away. So guys, yeah, like, comment, share the video, and I will see you in the next one. Thanks, guys.